Welcome to the How to Marvin video series. In this video, I will show you how to assign stereochemical labels to chemical structures. Marvin can handle atom level and molecule level stereochemical labels. On the top toolbar, pressing the Show Stereo button enables the visibility of the CIP stereo descriptors of chiral atoms and the EZ labels of double bonds. The application will distinguish undefined, ambiguous, and exact cases. As long as this feature is active, the stereo labels will automatically be updated upon modification of the structures on the appropriate atoms and bonds. In addition, the labels can be moved manually around and can be colorized independently to highlight stereo information. It is possible to assign molecule-level stereo labels to chiral molecules on the canvas. One option is to go to the main menu, Settings submenu, and open the Stereochemistry options dialog. Here, the visibility of the labels can be turned on, and also the name and visibility of chiral and non-chiral molecules can be set individually from each other. The chiral interpretation of the relevant molecules can be set from the Selections context menu or the main menu. When chiral atoms are in focus or selected, the molecule-level stereo representation can be changed to atom level. Here, the enhanced stereo information of the chiral atoms can be set to absolute, and or. These labels can be relocated, and also their color can be specified to highlight stereochemical information. Overall, Marvin provides an all-around, customizable stereochemistry labeling feature set aimed to be chemically precise and easy to use. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about Marvin, click the link below and enjoy more of our content.